What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to create a still life drawing of a glass bottle. Welcome back everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to be drawing with this 2B Stadler pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. Let's begin by adding some guidelines to help with the balance and symmetry of our drawing. So starting at the very top in the middle, I'm just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Now across the bottom, let's draw a straight line going across from left to right. And then from here, we're going to define the basic shape of the bottle. So from that center point along the bottom, let's step out towards the side, draw two straight lines going all the way up the side of the bottle. And I want to measure that same distance over towards the right and do the same thing, going up towards the top. Now at the top of our page, let's just close this off with a straight line to create a large rectangle. Now our bottle is going to sit inside this rectangle. So let's step up towards the top right about here, draw another straight line going across. And then in this area, we're going to draw the neck of the bottle. So we're going to step in, draw two straight lines coming down towards that line. Now we want to refine the shape of the bottle. So from here, it's going to round this out. It's going to come down and then out. Let's round out the sides, come down along the bottom. Go back and just smooth this out. Go up towards the top. I want to add a lip along the top of the bottle, so drawing another straight line going across. Now I'm going to go back and clean up our drawing by erasing some of these guidelines along the outside. Also taking out that center line. Now once we clean up our drawing, we want to give our bottle some perspective. So from the bottom corners, we're just going to round this out. I'm going to come down in the middle, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to go up towards the middle and then back down. So we're going to draw the back side of this glass bottle. Let's move up towards the top. Just going to round this out, just adding a slight curve across the base of the neck. Go up towards the top. I'm just going to round this out. Just going to curve that line. Go up towards the top and do that again. And we want to extend this out towards the sides. So just going to round this out and then pull that back in. And again, just go back and clean this up. Now we want to add a thick glass bottom. So we're going to step up, add a slight curve, coming down and then up towards the side. And again, we're just going to draw the back side going up and then back down. Now once we're happy with the general shape and proportions, we're going to go in and start darkening up our lines. So we're going to start from the very top. We're also going to modify the shape and add some detail as we go. So just tracing out the contours. And working our way down towards the bottom. Just going to add a little bit of a line coming in. Also going to round out the bottom corners and then flatten off the bottom. I'm just going to do one final cleanup before we add some more detail and shading. And now we're going to add some shape to our bottle by adding some reflections and detail. So let's start from the very top. So from the sides, I'm going to step in. I'm just going to add a curve coming in towards the bottom of that lip. Now I'm just going to leave a small gap along the top, coming in towards the top, and then we're going to come down, and just going to bend that in towards the bottom edge of that lip. Let's darken up the inside. Then around the lip, we're going to add a little bit more detail. So just going to pull this around and come down the side. Let's do the same thing across the side of the neck. So we're going to start from the top, come straight down, and it's going to taper that out towards the side. Right about there. Do the same thing on the right, coming down, and then bending that out. Let's go back up to the top, just going to flatten that off. Draw the inside of that reflection, and then again, just tapering out towards a point. And then we'll fill in the inside. Then we're going to go to the side around that curve. Just going to pull this in, just aiming towards the tip. Come on the inside. Now as you come down towards this bottom, I'm just going to pull this in. Coming down, so it gets a little bit wider. And just bend that in. And then from here, going out, back in. So we're just creating a little bit of a pocket, and come straight down. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top. It's going to darken up the inside. Now I'm just going to pull that down towards the back side of that reflection. Just clean that up. And at this stage, it's mostly about observation, just observing the differences in light and shadow and all the little details in between. And then along this back curve, it's going to use the side edge of my pencil. It's going to darken that up. I'm just going to fade that up towards the top. Just a gradual fade. And this is the back side of the bottle. I'm just going to fade that in across the bottom on both sides. Add a little bit of detail across the bottom edge. And we just want to break up that little detail. Going across and along the back side. Just going to add a little bit of reflection across the bottom of the bottle. Now the final step is adding a little bit of glare inside the bottle. So let's start from the very top on the left side. Just going to shade that in lightly, leaving a small gap in the center. Just work our way down the side. And then we're going to go to the right side and do the same thing. Coming down, again, adding that glare in the center of the bottle. And we're going to split this in half. So starting from the middle, lightly shade that in, coming down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to ground this bottle on top of the surface by adding a shadow. So from the bottom left corner, just going to lightly add a line coming across. So the light source is going to be from the top left side. Let's go over towards the right. We're just going to angle this up so it gets wider as it comes out. Let's darken up the side. Just going to fade that across. I'm just going to soften up the edges. Now because this is a glass bottle, the only thing that's going to cast a real shadow are the dark areas of the reflection. So from the sides, we're just going to darken that up and then fade that out. Now as we get near the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a still life drawing of a glass bottle. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw simple things just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.